Good day, everyone. Today, let's talk about something simple yet powerful compassion and how we can actually live it out. Both here in our university PU and in Wonder World, a lot of people think compassion is just a feeling sorry for someone or being soft hearted, but this is much deeper than that. Let me explain in my own words how we show it in our daily lives and how thinking and deciding together help us make compassion a reality. What is compassion? To me, compassion means to suffer with, but not just sharing someone's pain. It is awareness that when another person or even nature is hurting, we feel it too, and that feeling pushes us to do something about it. Pity is just looking at someone struggle from a distance. Compassion is stepping closer, saying, "You do not have to carry this alone." It sees every person, every living thing as connected to us. It recognizes that we are not separate. What happens to one eventually affects all. Compassion is not weakness. It takes strength to set aside our own comfort, our own interests, to consider what others truly need. It is choosing kindness even when it is easier to ignore, and choosing understanding even we do not fully agree. How compassion is expressed for others and the environment. Compassion does not stay in our thoughts. It shows in how we act. First, in caring for others, here at PU, it means more than just being polite. It is helping a classmate who is struggling with lesson instead of laughing at them. It is listening to someone who is stressed or lonely instead of judging them. It is respecting everyone, regardless of their background, course, status, because we recognize their dignity in the wider community. It means being fair, speaking up for those who cannot speak for themselves, in sharing what we can, whether it is time, help, or resources, with those in need. Second, in caring for the environment, true compassion also extends beyond people, the land, water, air, and also the plants. And animals are part of our shared home. When we throw trash anywhere, waste water, or cut trees without reason, we are being unkind, because this harm comes back to affect our neighbors, our families, and future generations. Compassion for nature means treating our surroundings with respect, segregating waste, saving energy, protecting trees and water sources. It is saying this earth is not just for me, but for everyone who comes after me. The role of communal discernment. Now, how do we make compassion more than just individual good deeds? This is where communal discernment comes in. Let me explain. Communal discernment is the process of thinking, listening, and deciding together. Not just one person making all the rules, but the whole community asking, what is truly good for everyone? What action leads to the greatest good and causes the least harm? In role in making PU and the world more compassionate is very important. It avoids selfish choices. When we decide only for ourselves, we often pick what benefits us even if it hurts others. But when we discern together, we see the bigger picture. It listens to all voices. Compassion means no one is left out. Communal discernment gives space to hear the concerns of students, staff, the poor, and even those whose voice are usually ignored. It turns values into action. It helps us create rules, programs, and habits that actually show compassion, like fair policies in school, community projects that help the needy, or environmental plans that everyone agrees to follow. It builds unity when we decide together. We understand why we do what we do. This makes us more committed to keeping our space kind, safe, and caring. To sum it up, compassion is not just a feeling. It is the choice to stand with others and care for our shared home. The communal discernment is the tool that turns this choice into something lasting. Something that works for the whole community. Here at PU, in our world, we will only become more compassionate if we practice kindness daily and learn to think and decide together. Small acts, when guided by a heart that cares and a community that listens, create real change. Thank you for your listening.